morning, everyone. How are you today? It's a rainy day. Yes, walk with me and talk with me. Here we talk about how to survive rainy season in Japan. We are in the southern part of Honsu Island, and it is famous for many things, especially for good weather. However, this area sometimes have quite a lot of rainfall. And this rainfall is not like which I thought rainy season or something, but continuous rainfall due to the rain front and low pressure system. So you can see today is kind of the day. I think it's the second day of this rainfall. And I must say that this is not so common during this time. Normally, we find it like during June or July, but this year it's quite unusual. It's now raining continuous 2 or 3 days. You see when the cars are moving, they splash the water meter on the street, so I must be very careful because I'm working to make this video. My camera should be protected from this water. But anyway, as I mentioned, it's basically spring. The cherry blossom just finished. So the weekends were full of economy party and other things, but you know, you cannot find the good weather sometimes as we expected. There's this kind of air. This is one national okonomiyaki shop. Recently it has become very popular. I found a lot of customers, they come to visit here during the lunchtime or the dinner time. So these are like parkside house residential area. It's quite beautiful houses here. And this is the park. This is one of the best park in Japan. It's called Tokyo Park at Ube City. So if you have time, don't forget to visit this park. This park is famous for different kinds of activities all around the world. It has a zoo for the kids and also amusement parks. But this park is mainly famous for its international sculpture competitions, which is within the Guinness Record of World for its the longest outside sculpture exhibition or competition. So what is happening is that like every 3 years triennial they arrange the competition among the international sculptures, and they submitted their model here. They displayed the model for the people and they voted for the popular choices. And this is the way that And of course there are some judges, and those sculptures are selected, then they will make it and they will send it here, and it will be displayed for the people for around 2 months or 3 months. So that is the most beautiful attraction of this park, and especially those sculptures which are kind of selected based, they could be placed in the different parts of the park or different parts of the city. So this city is basically called the city of garden and city of tree all over the city. So it's quite interesting, and I think it was like it has been selected one of the most livable cities in Japan in 2 years back. So many young people, they try to come here and make their house, build their house, live. In that sense, it's quite lively city. Some natural slope, so even some rain, the water that comes from the mountainous area and it goes through the city and finally in the sea. So this city has 4 mountains in the northern part and sea in the southern part. So quite interesting city, so you can find the 2 most beautiful on nature, very near to your house. Then you can see from your windows the beautiful cities, the beautiful windows, the mountains. In this part of the road, I have to be very careful, otherwise the water is splashing from the car. So now I am walking through the roadside. Be very careful when the car is coming. Masaki maintenance. This is some old plants which are survived from the dinosaur ages. So quite interesting plants. You can see it looks like palm tree, but it's not palm. Anyway, today is a very rainy day, so you have to be very careful while walking in the street side during the rainy days, to protect from the water logging, at the same time splashes from the car tires. But don't forget to bring your big umbrella, because small umbrella you cannot protect yourselves. You must need big camera, a big umbrella to be safe. This is one intersection. 5 roads are coming in this intersection, so quite busy. So you can see on waste garbage collection truck and some. We will take the garbage there. That is one wheelchair and like kindergarten bus. So many private cars, public transportation or process here. So you can see one concrete, raw concrete truck, mixing truck is coming. And you see here. So you can find a lot of interesting transportation systems here in this city because there are a lot of industries. The city is also famous for its industries. Anyway, that's all from today. Thank you very much. Thank you for working with me and with me. So see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.